Hello, this is Dave with Pressure Washing Guides. Today, wanted to talk about something that's very popular in the community, how to upsell. Do you do it on the phone? Do you do it when you get to the job? Personally, 95% of my jobs I quote over the phone, and I don't think it's the best myself to try to upsell over the phone. I like to, find out what they're looking to do, ask them, is there any other services? Fine. The job I'm at here today, it was actually a roof cleaning job. And while doing the job, I started walk the property, which I'm going to make a separate video for. Walk the property, and I want to get an idea of what I all got going on here. Well, while walking the property with the customer, I asked them, "Hey, I noticed your driveway is pretty dirty. Do you ever think of cleaning that? When's the last time you cleaned it? I could do that today and give you a little deal since I'm already here." Now, when you say a little deal, yes. So this driveway, I might usually charge $200 because it is filthy and it's a decent sized driveway. And I might do it for 150 because I'm already here. But different things like that, it just triggers in their mind. That same pitch you would have tried to do on the phone might have got them to where they don't even want you to come out. Now that I'm already here, I built the value. I walked them around the property. I really built value in myself, showing I know what I'm talking about. And then when I come to the driveway, they feel much more comfortable about the upsell. And along with this driveway, I've seen that the gutters are really bad. So while I'm up there, I'm going to clean out the gutters. They're full of leaves. That's an extra $100. So I turned a $400 or $500 roof job into a $700 day. I'm already here. Why not? So these little tactics, the biggest thing with upselling, I like to say is one, you should do it on the job site. Two, you should build value with them before even pitching anything else. If they don't trust you and think that you're knowledgeable in what you're going to do, they're not going to ask you to do more work. And then to sell like the package deal. So even if that same driveway you would have did for 150, you'd be like, hey, I normally do a driveway like this for 250, but today I'll do it for 150. Do the same price, but you show a discount. Now, obviously, you don't want to try to charge too much because if you charge too much, they're going to say no. Give them a reasonable price. A driveway like this should take me an hour. Why not make an extra 150 bucks? So upselling is critical, 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 critical. It turns so many smaller jobs into a great week. And it's things that like that you really just got to test the waters and practice. Like I said, even if you try to do a walk around with one of your family members and afterwards try to upsell something, do you seem like you're knowledgeable? Do you seem like you know what you're talking about? And did the pitch come off good, or were you awkward like maybe the driveway too? No, you could be like sell, hey, the driveway looks very dirty. When's the last time you cleaned it? While I'm here for an extra 150 bucks, I'll clean it today and take care of that issue for you. How's that sound? Like, it sucks to be like, okay, you got to be a salesman, but that is what it is. Like, do you want to make $300 or do you want to make $500 a job? You think when you're doing 50, 30 to 50 jobs a week, that extra $200 that you added each time, that's $6,000 extra a week. Now, obviously, you might not be doing 30, 50 jobs, but you see it compounds over the month. Very important to learn, very important to practice. Please share down in the comments exactly how you do it. How do you do your upsells? Do you do it on the phone? Do you do it in person? What have you found that works? I'm sharing what I know that works, at least for me. It's not going to be perfect for everybody. You might tweak things here and there. I love to share my opinions. I love to hear from you guys. I hope this was helpful, though, and I hope you have a great day.